Hey folks, Alan Manick, the Hot Rod Hippie here, coming to you with my 2018 holiday gift guide. For the auto mechanic, auto enthusiast, auto body tech, or just general do-it-yourselfer on your list, I've got a lineup of tools all under $80 for that person on your list, or maybe just for yourself this holiday season. So let's go ahead and check it out. So like I said, this is my holiday gift guide for the auto enthusiast, the car restorer, the auto mechanic, do-it-yourselfer, metalworker, metal shaper in your life. Or yourself, if that's the person in your life. So a couple of these deals are really killer deals. All this pricing is coming from Amazon. They are Amazon affiliate links, so that helps me to produce videos for you folks and doesn't cost you anything more. And all of these items qualify for Amazon Prime free shipping, so they are some really good deals. Links can be found in the description down below to all of these items. Let's get into it. First and foremost is one that I've done a video about before, a Tooltip Tuesday, and it is Midwest Snips. I love Midwest Snips. I really believe in them. The set is a two-piece set with the right and the left, green and red, and they're just high quality. Even if you already have quality snips or that person you're buying for does, having a fresh set is a great idea, even if just for backups for later once they decide theirs are a little bit too worn out, or sell off the old ones and have a fresh set to go ahead and start off 2019 the right way. Next up is an item that I think is probably the best deal that I have for you folks. I easily paid 4 times this much for mine when I bought it. This is the Power Probe 3. It's the older design Power Probe 3, but who cares? It's just older packaging. You get a voltmeter right on there so you can go ahead and test it. Rather than have a test light, use this thing, check that thing, check what voltage you've got there right away. This is really, really handy for the auto mechanic, the auto collision person. If you've got a car in the shop and the battery's disconnected, maybe it was a collision, you don't want to go hooking things back up because you know you got some cut wire somewhere, use this to put the windows up and down when you're disassembling the door, make your life a lot easier. The Power Probe 3 is going for $49.99. This thing used to be almost $200, so that is a heck of a deal. Just because it's the older design, who cares? Pick one of these up, it's a great deal. The Power Probe 1 used to go for about this price, so this is one to look for. Link in the description down below. Next up is something that I have harped on this channel before, and I will continue to do so until I can't breathe anymore, and that is hearing protection. I've got 2 options of Bluetooth hearing protection to go ahead and use on a daily basis so you can listen to music, take phone calls, and still protect your hearing while you're working. I have fully reviewed both of these products on this channel, and I do recommend both of them. They have their highlights, their high points, their low points. You can go ahead and check out my videos dedicated to each of these to go ahead and find that out for yourself. That is the 3M WorkTunes Bluetooth hearing protection, the over-ear design, and then the IsoTunes Extra in-ear earbud noise canceling hearing protection. 3M WorkTunes over-ear design are going for $49.89, and the IsoTunes Extras are $79.99. So they are a little pricier. You can go ahead and check out the reviews, as I mentioned, to see what I really think of each of these and maybe decide which one's right for you. Next up is an item that I really debated putting on this list for one reason and one reason only. I'm going to review this product and I haven't done so yet. I don't like putting something out there that I haven't reviewed already so you can get my full in-depth opinion about it. But you could probably take from the fact that I'm putting it on this list that I have at least a little bit of a point to recommend this. And that is the 7-piece gear wrench, hammer, and dolly set. This 7-piece set would be great for somebody who's just getting into restoring a car on their own, maybe wants to just start and get their feet wet, try it out without having to spend the hundreds of dollars for the US-made high-quality hammers that I usually recommend. These are decent quality. I would definitely say initial impression, I would recommend these over the Harbor Freight option that's out there. So the 7-piece set comes with 3 hammers, 4 dollies, comes in a blow molded case, and is going for $79.99 on Amazon right now. Normally $99.99 most other places, so you're saving 20 bucks right there. And honestly, for what you're getting, it's not a bad price. Go ahead and check it out in the link below. And last but most certainly not least is an item that's probably going to end up on this list every year, and that is 10mm sockets. Now I actually have one specific set in mind for you, but you can go ahead and pick up 10mm sockets in a range of sizes, places, styles. People, they'll either get it as the joke or they'll just be happy to have 10mm. It is the most commonly used socket nowadays on these metric equipped vehicles, and is also one of the most commonly lost because it's used so much. The set that I'm mentioning here is a gear wrench 10-piece set. It comes with 5 1/4-inch sockets and 5 3/8 drive sockets, all 10mm in size. You get magnetic, you got a standard depth, mid-length, deep, and a flex socket in each of those drive sizes. You really get a heck of a lot here. The gear wrench sockets are lifetime warranty. This set's going for $30.87 and comes on its own little rail, so it is the perfect stocking stuffer set to get that person loaded up with 10mm sockets to start off 2019. That's it, folks. 6 items, all under $80 for that person on your list or for yourself this holiday season. Take care of their hearing, get them started on their metal shaping or auto restoration journey with some hammers and dollies. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. Maybe they can get some gift ideas for you. Like this video if you found it interesting. Let me know in the comments down below. Are there any items you think should be on this list that folks should check out this holiday season? A friend of mine pointed out that Power Probe deal to me, so I added it to the list because it was a great deal. Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this all the time. Thanks for coming around, folks.